Let's go. What's up, Marco?
Good morning.
Let's do it, my brother. Good morning. Let's get this bad boy rolling today. Yeah, yesterday I was set up, ready to go. But man, my car started having some issues. So on the way home, I had to stop and sucker took a long time. But we are back, ready to crush it. You know, that's the good thing about day trading. If you don't want to trade a day, guess what? You ain't got to. It's beautiful. All right. So 3 minutes. Let's let things shake out for a second. And ticks are down. So I don't want to jump the gun yet, so let's just wait. All right. Remember, we got 4 strategies. 4 strategies. In the first 15 minutes, I only focus on the advanced. I will call out every single thing that I do to the best of my ability, right? That's one thing beautiful about it. But if you don't know why I do something, obviously we've got our private WebEx. Type it in our chat group. All right, again, just letting things shake out. We got another minute and 15 seconds. See here. Markets, flat. Love to see a nice strong day today. Would love that for sure, right? We got a lot of stocks. I'm actually in, believe it or not, 7 swing trades. Fucking 7 of these motherfuckers, dude. Oh, shit. Sure, we'll talk about them today in options. 7 of them. All right. Let's see here. I'm not going to mark stuff yet, but I'm getting ready. All right. I am going to start marking. 35. Purple. 1. 40-25. 40-25 with the 1. I'll be looking to go short right off the bat. Looking to go short on the 86s. Okay, I'm going to put it in a queue on the 86s. All right. That's where I'm at this morning. What's going on, John? What's up? What's up?
Good morning, Jeff.
Hey, brother. Good to see you, my man. Good to see you.
You too.
We are back in the game today, so let's see what we got. I'm looking to go short on the advanced. See if we can get some momentum. All right. Let's see here, my friends. Go ahead and I'm going to back off. Who popped in here? Malik. What's up, Malik? What's up? What's up? Was looking to go short.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, my friend. I was looking to go short on a break of 35, but my entry signal was invalidated. If you have any questions of why it was invalidated after you take a look at the chart, you got to type it in the WebEx. Let me know. Remember, the S&P 500 will tear you apart. It will fake you out, and it will trap you. Usually, not always, but when signals are invalidated, that usually leads to a trap or a fake out. Regardless, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is you stick to your plan. And if it keeps going down, so be it. Got plenty of opportunities. Plenty. But no hurry. Dow Jones is actually flat. S&P is down a little. And this is where you kind of got that tendency of you want to chase it. You're like, it's going down, it's going down. No, we're not going to chase it. Okay? Not going to chase it. It's going down, though, you little son of a bitch. Damn. Could have been some nice little points, but it is what it is, right? We do not chase. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase those lines. Remember, the software draws it for us, but about 3 minutes after I do. Oh, I was saying earlier, we do not have any news announcements, so we should be okay as far as trading. All right, so I'm going to be looking for the number 2 setup on the advanced. We have 4 setups. 4. Right now, I'm focused on number 2. Again, I'm in no hurry. We have plenty of opportunities to trade, just like we always do, right? Dow Jones, everything's kind of down a little bit. Just let it take a little break. Patience, right? Ticks are picking up. No big deal. Ticks is picking up. Ticks are down. So this, I mean, we got heavy selling pressure right now. Heavy selling pressure. We just got to stay out of the way. There was no opportunity. So now we just wait. Never know what this market's going to do. Just focus on the plan, right? All right. Just watching. See if some buying can come in. Still down. Heavy selling pressure. We see some buying coming in a little bit. No hurry. Hey, did y'all see the Bitcoin ETF has options now? Let me tell you something. This is where if you've got the stock, you got to start doing cover calls. And if you like it, you can do naked puts, all that stuff, man. That's great. Market's down 18. We had a nice up move yesterday, so I was expected to continue upward. This is kind of unexpected right here. Surprise. I wasn't anticipating that it was going to go down right now. My stocks and my 7 option swing trades. We want this son of a bitch to go up. Meant a lot. It's the most I've been in a while, by the way. Went a little crazy the last couple of days. Just watching. It's looking like this is continuing to head down. I am going to go ahead and, I know we still got a ways to go, but I'm going to go ahead and double up. Now, it's still got a ways, but I feel like that's going to, won't get broken, right? 40.25, so we got a double layer. Market's down 24. Dow Jones is down 100 almost. What's going on with this? Let's follow your plan. Ticks are 520 to the downside. VIX has been steadily rising up. I'm going to go ahead and draw. I'm going to extend this out right now. Again, everything that I'm doing, I'm just calling it out. 24. This is kind of a shock to me. I wouldn't expect, unless they're just letting it come down a little bit, and then they're going to step in and push it up. I'm looking at the S&P 500 on the daily also. We're sitting right at S1, so this could be a level where it bounces. Ticks are picking up a little bit. Staying out of the way. That would have been a nice move, man. I really wish you would have got our signal. That would have been a nice, quick pop. Damn, that would have been good. Again, I got the trading journal out for our new. Taken 32 trades so far. I got all the results documented. Once we get to 50, we're gonna analyze it. See if we need to tweak the rules or what we got to tweak. Okay, because we have 4 strategies and we've created a couple of them, especially the aggressive. That's a new one. We're in the testing phase. And then I told you I've added kind of a layer on top of the aggressive. Kind of just bled down, right? We are climbing right here. So this could reverse and go back up. But it is what it is, right? I will, again, I'll tell you everything I'm doing. Now remember, we've got the aggressive. So the way that I'm going to do it is, so far I've got 2 setups. The first one is the new one. So I'm just going to call it, again, it's just the aggressive, but it's the first opportunity. That one's new. I'm not expecting you to take that one, okay? So if I say I'm in it, I'm going to say setup number 1. That's the way I'm going to say it. Aggressive setup number 1. That's the new one. I'm going to type it in our group right now. And the other one's going to be setup number 2. Okay. So I'm typing it in our group right now. It's brand new. But that's going to be the first opportunity into the aggressive. Now, but these right here, that's not that. That's that. I'm only 3 trades in. 3 trades in. 2 wins, 1 loss. So again, that's setup number 1. I'll explain it a little bit later. All right, mark this, 1350. Okay, here we go. Now we get ready. I am going to be setting up on the short side. Okay, I will be staying on the short side right now on the 83s. I'm going to stay on the short side right now on the 83s. I'm going to go short. I'm focusing on both the advanced and the aggressive. The aggressive setup number one, I'm doing one contract in testing mode. I'm doing my normal contract size on the advanced. And then I will add to the aggressive. All right, so I'm going to be looking to go short. Fuck, damn market, pick your ass up. On the normal right now. Again, I won't be able to call out everything. So you guys, you got to know what's going on, right? I can call out afterwards, but it is what it is, right? This is setup number one, only one contract if it happens. Remember, setup number one on the aggressive, one contract. We're doing 3 contracts on the aggressive setup 2, and I'm doing 50 contracts on the advanced. 50. Because that's the one that there's no testing. I've been doing that for years. Ticks are down a little bit. Market's down 19. Again, ticks are hit that 600. They're climbing back up. Dow Jones basically flat, so nothing crazy happening right now. Now we just wait. I take your rules out. Y'all know the drill. If by 8:45 we're not in the trade, we got to wait. 8:54, I don't know what I just said, but by 8:54, if we're not in the trade, we got to wait. Just be patient. Nothing going on. I'm just, again, look at all the clues, all right? Look at all the clues. So I'm going to go ahead and erase these lines because it should draw it in 1 second. Bam. Love it. Indecision, right? We're momentum traders. Hence the word momentum. Just follow the plan. All you got to do, guys, is follow your plan. Market kind of went down, and now it's just not doing much. All right. Nothing's really going crazy on me. I like it. So far, so good. I can use this market rebounding, though. That would be nice. All right. But as a day trader, we just trade whatever the momentum is doing. Love to see this market reverse, though. Go up today. You know, finish up 30, 40 points to the upside. That would be incredible. Because I'm sure in a lot of positions. I'm in so many positions. Fucking shit, dude. We talk about, though, you just keep taking your trades, right? Win, lose, or draw. You just, every time you get the setup and your entry, take it. Take it. Take it. No matter what. Document your results and then see if your system's profitable. If it's not profitable, tweak it, test it some more. That's all it is. Then once you know it's profitable, then you scale up, right? That's why I do 50 on the advanced, because I know it's profitable. The other one, still, the jury's still out. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I'm going to look at the 83s. Again, I don't remember which ones I have, but I'm going to look at the 83 puts for the aggressive setup 1. Come on, market. Stop messing around. Get your ass up. All right, I'm taking it. Well, I thought I was, but it didn't go. Oh well, my active trader's not working. What in the hell's going on? What the fuck is going on? Well, I wanted to take it, but my active trader decided it didn't want to work. Huh, my active trader's not working. Yeah, I can't take the fucking trade. What the hell? It didn't work, man. I had to do it the other way. This is not good. I hate this. This is going to cause me to screw up. I went short, but I don't know what's going on here. I just kind of messed my ass up. I am not going to lie. What is going on with this effing active trader? Y'all active trader working? Mine's like broke. All right, cool. Yeah, my active trader's jacked up. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh, well. Sorry, my active traders gave me issues, so let's keep waiting. I'm trying to fix this really quickly while I'm here. All right. All right, here we go. So, still waiting. I don't know why I did that. I really don't know why I did that. That was weird. I was hitting the button and it wasn't working. Probably good that I didn't, but it is what it is, right? Remember, follow your plan. I don't know why I did that, though. That pisses me off. You know, we haven't got an advanced entry in a long time. A long time. One thing I do like about, I love about the advance is if there's no momentum, you're out quick. And that's what I see too with this, the setup number 1 in the aggressive. If it doesn't work, you're out quick, which that's awesome. That's the best opportunity, right? Small loss, bigger win. All right, we got a bullish divergence down there at the bottom. We're still sitting at S1. All right, so I'm going to type in our group right now. All right. Remember, I'm going to go ahead and erase these levels. I'm typing in our WebEx as well. It's quiet in that futures room without Charles here, right? Still waiting. Fucking market, you son of a bitch. Gotta wait. Gots to wait. Yeah, it's climbing, but got to back off. What the fuck is going on? Cisco, I hate you so much. Huh? Still going up, though. As long as that fucking line keeps going up, I ain't messing with it. Again, I'm in a lot of trades, just so you know. A lot. And they're not looking so good. None of them is looking good, just so you know. Not actually, there's only one 𝗙𝘂𝘁𝘂𝗿𝗀𝘀. It's the only one that's looking good. Every other one absolutely sucks. It's because that market's not bouncing. You know what I'm saying? Market started to bounce yesterday, but it's just kind of going sideways. So that's what happens, right? The market doesn't move. Those trades ain't going to move. 60 to 70% of stocks follow the market. So what we can do is, if this sumbitch goes down, we can buy, make it up right here. Because those swing trades, at this present moment, they're not looking so good. Now we got to wait, all right? We will have plenty of opportunities. I just don't know why my active trader didn't work. Not really sure about that. I really wish I understood why. All right, I am going to triple up. Triple up. You know what you could do if you wanted to? You could put on a hedge. No. For my stocks, I was thinking about it. No, I'm not going to do that. So we got 3 key levels stacked on top of each other. So if we can break back up through there, that's a good, that would be a good sign. As of right now, though, we're just, we're living in this range. I am going to go ahead and start looking to type in our group here. All right. Things are climbing down. It's not good. Not good at all. At all. Fuck. Fucking market, dude. One minute. I am going to be looking to go short. Okay, I will be looking to go short. Probably those 82s, if I can figure out why my active trader didn't work last time. All right. 5 seconds. Looking like I'm going to be going short. Looking aggressive. All right, get ready. Remember, it's our key. I'm going to type them in here real quick. we go. On the setup number 1 for the aggressive, 1 contract, just testing it. The other one, 3. The advanced, 50. And try to pull it off. Market's down 27. Dow Jones. See, the Dow Jones isn't down that much. Dow Jones isn't down that much. It's kind of surprising. Right now, we're living in this box. We haven't cleared the 0 yet the entire morning. Picking up a little bit. Market's down 24. I'd love to see us get back above the 0 and start working our way up in this zone, not that zone. Just stay focused. Ticks are down a little bit. We're watching them. 23. Dow Jones still down a little bit, but fighting back. We're at that S1 on the daily. See, they're selling off right here at this key level. And again, we don't have any news items, so this is just, I don't think this is not aggressive selling, just so you know. This is just on weak hands, okay? It's not aggressive until it comes down in here. Right now, this is just selling, but it's weak hands. I will be looking to go short in a minute on the aggressive setup 1 or the advanced. I'm really got a lot of things happening right now. Ticks are down 295, 300. Market's down 28. Looking to go short in a minute. Aggressive setup 1. Don't do it unless you're comfortable with it. 1 contract just because I'm testing it. All right, let's go ahead and erase this. And we couldn't penetrate that. Market's going to tell us when it's ready to go. All right, watching. All right, I am going to go short, again, on the aggressive setup 1, but I will jump right out. I will look to now take my advance if we get it. Don't do that unless you are okay, all right? Now, what I will do is I will look to add to that trade. Okay. I will look to add to that trade in a minute. Still watching. I'll jump right back out, though. Again, I'm testing it out. As of right this second, you don't have the aggressive setup 2. I did it as kind of my testing setup 1. I'm really looking for an advanced entry or this shit to go back up. But I will look to add to this trade on an aggressive setup 2. First one I got in at 49. I have a hard target at 69. But I will jump out manually if I get a signal to jump out. Will not look at the P&L. That's been messing me up. I'm shooting for 20. And I will manually exit. That's how I'm going to be testing out these rules. I do not have a hard stop. I'm going to add to the trade. That one I added at 54. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to get out at 74. Okay. I added to the trade. So I'm in for 3. I have different targets. I'm going to have no hard stop. It will be a manual stop. Right now I'm in this trade. Ticks are picking up. Bam! I hit my target on the first one, plus 20. Plus 20 on the first one. Stand in the trade. That's the only way I'm going to do this. I will not set a hard stop. After analyzing the results, it's going to be no hard stop. No hard stop. I got plus 20. And now I'm in this trade with a hard target at 74. I got a hard target at 74. We're up plus 20. And I'm going to sell everything at 74. It is what it is. I will not get out unless that happens. Yep. Looking good. Not looking at the P&L at all. Not looking at the P&L at all. It is what it is. We already hit plus 20. And I got filled on the other one at 57. I thought it was 54. It was 50. Yeah. 57. So my target is at 77. Yeah. Right? Yeah. 77. Dow Jones is picking some steam to the downside now. So maybe we can offset this blow a little bit because I know my swing trades, again, are probably getting destroyed. All we can do is soften the blow, right? I will not get out of this trade until the son of a bitch hits my target or gives me a manual exit, period. Bam! Got it! Plus 60. I'm out. Boom! Boom. Plus 60 on that one. That is huge, guys. That's it. Make sure I'm out. The fucking active traders been giving me issues. Way to go. Plus 60. That was awesome. Now, I'll just wait for a pullback. Go. That's how you do it. Again, I ain't doing a runner. I don't care anymore. I'm not getting greedy. I'm not doing a runner. I'm going for my 20. And that's it. I've decided that the runner, it just gets my anxiety. Also, I give back a little bit more. I'm just going to take it into strength and be done with. I'm plus 60, all on the aggressive. Now I will look to go short on my regular advanced. Boom. Yes, sir, baby. Thanks, Roy. That one worked out to perfection. Now this market needs to reverse so my other trades can start going up. They're getting killed. I will not lie. They're taking an absolute destruction because of this market. Market's about to give up everything that it did yesterday. Son of a bitch. I'm almost tempted to put a fucking put on in case this whole market falls apart as a hedge. You know what? I'm going to do a fucking hedge. I'm going to buy the 80s, and I'm going to buy 2 of them as a hedge. No target. This is strictly a hedge for my positions. Okay? That way, if the market tanks, I'm going to neutralize some of my delta. Okay? That's what this is. I bought some puts right now specifically as a hedge to neutralize some of my deltas. I'm not planning on, again, I'm not doing it to make a profit. I'm doing it to hedge some of my deltas. It's basically like insurance, right? And then looking at my stocks, hang on, let me see my stocks. We've got a delta. Just give me a second. I've already made 60 points, so I'm in absolutely no hurry, but I do want to do this. So 39. I'm actually going to do 2 more as a hedge. So I'm going to do 4 as a hedge. Okay? 4. Strictly as an insurance hedge. I'm just trying to neutralize some of my deltas. Okay? I'm willing to lose it all. I'm willing to lose it all. It's mainly insurance. Period. Okay? There we go. That's all I'm doing. In case this market falls apart, I'm neutralizing my delta, and that's it. So this one's going to go, I'm going to put a column that just says hedge. Hang on. Oops. I'm going to make a little group. Hedge. Again, I'm just waiting for a pullback to get back in it, but I got 60, so that helped out for sure. That helped out for sure, I can tell you that. There we go. If this market wants to fall apart, at least now I don't feel so bad because I've neutralized a lot of my deltas. We can talk about that in the options class as well if y'all want to. Does anybody want to talk about that in the options? We can. That's fine. You don't have to let me know right now. It's fine. There it is. Hang on a second. Again, I'm looking now strictly on the advanced, right? Little in-trend momentum entry or a pullback, okay? Setup number 4, setup number 3. I'm already up plus 60, but I'll jump back in it. And nicely done, Roy. Nicely done. You sleep a lot. Well, you rest a lot easier when you put a hedge on. Options were created as a way to hedge your long positions. And then people started getting cute, right? Getting crazy. But they were created to hedge your stocks. That's why people came up with options. And on days like this where shit just start falling apart, it could get ugly. So what we got to make sure we do is just protect ourselves just so it doesn't get too crazy. If it goes back up, that's fine. Because I'm long anyway on my stocks, my freaking swing trades. So it's fine. Don't get me wrong. I want this son of a bitch to go up. But I'll tell you what. I'm gonna neutralize those fucking deltas, and that's what I'm at right now. I got a yeah, because this could get ugly. This could get ugly, and those swing trades are I'm gonna take a beating. But that's what happens, right? When the market fakes false bounces, you can't do nothing about it. But you follow your plan. It is what it is. Okay, and again, the main thing I want to point out on those hedges is I'm willing to lose it all of it. Just kind of doing a couple of things while I'm waiting, right, for another entry. Yeah, they're neutralized pretty good. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm doing some categories on the other screen. Shit, this motherfucker is getting out of hand. How was the crypto market? When I checked, it was up. Is it still up today? This market's falling apart. Dow Jones is down 200. MicroStrategy. Yeah, those hedges are going to be the only thing that saves my ass. But I'm locked and loaded, right? It is what it is. I mean, you're good to go. This market's taking a fucking beating. All right.
Hey, Jeff, Bitcoin's at 94.5.
Oh!
Hit a high of 98.80 today.
Damn. Thanks, John.
94.80.
Wow.
94.80. So it's going back up towards where it's high so far.
Wow.
94.6 going up.
Thanks, John.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So even though the market has taken an annihilation, you know, our crypto's doing good. Well, actually doing fucking great. Great. Good's an understatement. Fucking great. But I figure with this market being down so much because they're correlated that it would be taking a beating, but I guess not. So right now I'm looking for an in-trend momentum entry or a pullback. So set up 4-3 advanced only. That's where I'm at. Okay. And again, one thing I want to point out on that hedge, I'm willing to lose everything. It's insurance. Just in case, right? Just in case. Because you just never know on days like this. I mean, if we break yesterday's low, this could go crazy. Drop down. And pretty much every one of those swing trades are going to probably lose. That's why I got to neutralize that. And again, I know how to do that, right? Yeah, if we break yesterday's, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. It can go down if it wants now. I'm hedged, though. And again, if you said Bitcoin's going up, that matters to me a lot. And if Bitcoin's at 94, touch 98, we might hit 100 pretty soon, man. And that would be, that's, wow.
No, I misspoke. It touched 94,888 was the high.
Okay, 94,888. Either way, where's it at right this second?
Right this second, it is at 94,404.
Okay, beautiful. Still over 90, so I mean 94, that's huge. Beautiful. Thanks, John. Who typed? Oh, thanks, Rafa. Simple as pie. That was an easy trade, guys. I mean, we never challenged. We were never, ever challenged. That's crazy. Like, we literally got in it. We added, hit first target, hit second target. That's it. Plus 60. What the fuck, dude? That was beautiful. And let me tell you, I just had a target of 20. I had no hard stop loss. I was managing it based on the technical with a hard target of 20. 20 on the first one, 20 on the second one. But the second one, I closed out the bigger position, right? It's great. We know where Roy, you got that. Anybody else get a little bit of that action? You should have. It was there. Just keep trading the plan, my friends. And that aggressive, I love it. The only thing I've been tinkering around with is the reward to risk. But I've decided I'm not going to do a runner. I'm not. I don't play earnings. So I'm not doing nothing with NVIDIA. No. If I was going to do an earnings play, it would be like an iron condor or a naked strangle. But I'm not doing any earnings plays. But again, if you're going to do it, you can put on an iron condor or a naked strangle. If you don't know how to do that when we're in options, ask me, remind me, and I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you exactly what I would do. Like, I've done earnings plays before, but I'm not playing earnings plays right now. Yeah, I don't anticipate nothing. You know, it is what it is, right? If I'm going to play the earnings, I'm going to play it, and that's it, based on that information. But again, a naked strangle, that's a Tom Salznoff. That's a Tom Salznoff play. He does that. You could even do a butterfly, more of a lottery ticket butterfly. Just throwing that out there, but me, I'm not doing that right now. We're hooking up, and again, I'm going to leave that insurance on the whole day. I don't care if it bleeds to zero. It's strictly to protect me in case this market gets crazy. Strictly an insurance play. And if the market wants to go back up, hey, that's great, because my delta is still positive. You just never know. If we break yesterday's low, this could crater. Right now, this is a nice little bear flag, right? Ticks are picking back up. We're in that zone here. And again, that's fine. It's totally fine. I totally want to lose on my hedge. I do want to lose on my hedge. But I will not fucking let this market destruct it and watch all those swing trades I'm in get destroyed and not have any protection. All right, so again, watching the ticks with the advanced strategy, the same rules apply. Now, you might have an opportunity here pretty soon to take another aggressive if you want. I will not be doing that. I got 60. You ain't seeing me take any more aggressive shots. I got my money and I ran. Right, so you can be looking to go short. Again, following your plan to the downside. Advanced only. Malik said, I'm learning and paper trading. Well, if I didn't enter, let's see. Third candle? We didn't get an entry. Again, I have to tell you this. I don't enter on the 3-minute candle unless it's an aggressive. The advance, I enter specifically on the 1 minute, just like I talk about in the course. So if I didn't call out an entry based on my rules, there was no entry. I'm calling out every single thing. I don't enter on the 3-minute unless it is an aggressive. The advance, I enter on the 1 minute. So the answer is, if it was the 3-minute, the answer is the only entry was the entries that I said. All right, I'd be looking to go short on the advanced, but you got to watch. Okay, I'm going to put it in our group. This is the advanced. The whole course is based on the advanced. Look what I posted in there. This is where you'd be looking to go short, but it is invalidated, okay? So here's the deal. The course that you get, everything in there is about the chart setups, how to read the ticks, how to read the VIX, and the advanced methodology, all 4 setups. Hardcore, price action, everything. The aggressive, there's no videos on the aggressive because this is still in testing mode. I don't want to start doing a bunch of videos while I'm still testing. So the answer is I do not enter on the 3-minute unless it's an aggressive. There was no entries on that. I call out every single entry. So that noise right there is we're 1 minute, or 1 hour. So I'm going to erase these black lines. So again, based on what I said, the 3rd and the 12th, on the 3-minute, no. Not again. One of the big things that destroyed me was trying to trade price action based on the 3-minute. Worst thing that you can do. It's the worst unless you understand the 1 minute. Now, our new strategy, we're taking other things in consideration. Right now, this is nothing more than a nice bear flag that's thinking about rolling over. So at this point, though, here's the deal. At this point, you can draw your lines like that. Now it's going back up. Okay, I'm watching the 1 minute. And there's no entry yet. Still going up. That's fine. Absolutely no problem. Let this sumbitch go back up. I have no problem losing on my insurance. None. When you buy house insurance or you buy car insurance is easy. You don't want to get into a wreck. Why do you buy the car insurance? You buy it just in case, but you don't want to use it. So when I buy a hedge as insurance, I don't want to use it, but just in case it's there. Does that make sense? I sure as hell don't want to use it. But I'm willing to lose it. When I put on the hedge for the day, I leave it the whole day until basically like 30 minutes before the market closes. And then if it's already basically got no value left, I just let it expire. If it's got value, I just, you can leave it on overnight if you want. Or you can just cash it out and do it again the next day. But you got to be prepared to lose on the hedge. And again, I want to lose. Already got 60 on the day trading. But that's not enough to offset my massive amount of swing trades. I'm not going to lie. I'm in like 7 of those sumbitches. As long as Bitcoin keeps going up, though, we're okay. One thing I do wish on the Bitcoin ETF, I did notice yesterday, it doesn't have weekly options. It just has monthly. I wish it had weekly, and it might get weekly as it starts trading more. I like weekly because you can sell naked puts on the week and collect weekly income, which is huge. I'd rather collect weekly income than waiting a whole month. So, but I do like that they got options. That is another way to hedge your crypto, right? If you think Bitcoin's going to roll over, you can go do some buy puts, right, on the ETF, or sell some call spreads. So here's the deal. This is what I'm going to do right now. Y'all inside the school, obviously hang tight. We're going to trade the rest. We're going to answer questions. I'll talk about, you can come off the mic, ask your question. We're going to do swing trading options. And that's what we got. For those of you that are channel members, you caught this live. Now, if you want to join us inside the school, where you actually learn how to do this, check down below in the description. If not, we'll see you back here later.